What is an adjective to describe someone who constructs their moral views based on convenience? Until recently, I believed that self-righteous describes someone whose ideas of right and wrong are conveniently aligned with their own situation, in a way that does not require them to put much effort into doing what is right or avoiding what is wrong, and allows them to judge others while being immune or resistant to the same judgment themselves. Apparently, this is not what self-righteous means. So what word could be used to describe this? Compound words are fine, obviously. Examples: someone who was born rich, saying that people living in poverty are simply lacking ambition. Someone who cannot afford a plane ticket or car, bragging about saving the environment by not using fossil fuel. Being quick to judge other people's misbehavior but blaming your own misbehavior on something beyond your control. Example sentence: being mad at Laura for keeping a minor secret from you when you've cheated on her is very _________ of you.
How does self-justifying sound to you? Self-justifying, ADJ, aiming to justify or excuse oneself or one's actions. Examples: the politician's stories are self-justifying. The morally self-justifying claim of hard work. Lexical.
I would use not self-aware, which doesn't sound good, and I would think hypocritical would be the next best synonym.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.